Hi there, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Namecheap's EasyWP hosting completely free. Whether you've just purchased your domain from GoDaddy and want to use it with WordPress hosting from Namecheap, or you're simply moving your site to EasyWP for better speed and affordability, this tutorial will make the process simple and stress-free. Step 1. Sign in to EasyWP. Go to Namecheap.com and sign into your account. Go to Hosting List and click on Get Started and scroll down on this page. You will see EasyWP Starter, WordPress Hosting. It's free for first month, so click on Try for free. Now, it will take to payment page, add details, and it will show $0, so proceed with it. Now follow the simple on-screen guide to set up your WordPress, as I am doing this. You can set and change as per your own taste with any WP setting you want. Choose a site name, pick a theme if you want, and in less than a minute, your site will be ready to connect to your domain. Step 2. Select the option to use a custom domain inside your EasyWP dashboard. Find the section that says Domain. Click Change or Set Domain. Here, choose Use My Own Domain instead of buying a new one from Namecheap. Type in your GoDaddy domain name, for example, ytpmn.online, and click Continue. EasyWP will now ask you to create alias records. It's something which you need to create at GoDaddy DNS. In GoDaddy, you can create A records to achieve the same results. Keep this tab open. We'll need these details in the next step. Step 3. Log in to GoDaddy. Open a new tab and go to GoDaddy.com. Sign in to your account. From the dashboard, click on My Products, then find your domain name and click DNS or Manage DNS. Step 4. Here you need to add this alias records, means A records with specific IP address as shown on this page for matching of your EasyWP record. You need to create for all the IP this records. Choose host as @ and put the IP as shown on this page in the Value tab. GoDaddy may ask you to confirm. Click Yes or Save again if prompted. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours to fully update worldwide, but in most cases, it's much faster. Step 5. Return to EasyWP and verify. Go back to your EasyWP tab in Namecheap. Click Verify or Continue. Once the DNS changes have propagated, your EasyWP site will automatically start using your GoDaddy domain. Step 6. Test your connection. After about 10 to 20 minutes, open your browser and type in your domain name. If everything is connected correctly, you should see your WordPress website hosted on EasyWP appear instantly. And that's it. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Namecheap EasyWP hosting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates.